phone. I'm gonna call this guy.
I'm declaring my confessions, my confessing my love. I'm pouring my heart out to the woman I loved. I remember those old school days when I used to wait for you, then talk our future whilst riding the bus. I called you taxi cause your looks were just driving me nuts. And that's your face, not including your bumper and stuff. Even your father had intentions of calling me son. Your younger siblings used to call me big brother and stuff. And I was foolish, we were foolish, just hungry for love. Until your friends got involved and divided the love. Cause it was hippie, high hair and dancing and stuff. And now it's quickly high hair, then argue and cuss. I really thought that we was really gonna last. That's a fairy tale movie, in this movie I'm missing the cast. Like I broke something and didn't wanna fix it. Now I get cheese like the days we used to exchange our pictures. It's like I really put a bomb and now I love. Cause I blew it out proportion, cause the portion just wasn't enough that he gave me. And honestly, from the bottom of my gut, I sold my pride like page 3. If loving is a crime, then I guess I'm a crook. If the pain ain't in my eyes, take a glass, I'm a book. I'm gonna drop a Peter Pan bar, cause I love never landed, so I guess I'm the captain of hooks. I wrote our plans down in my head, got me feeling like a bra, cause right now I'm just feeling to bust. I gotta start over and feeling the lust. The way it all ended, I feel like a cunt. Cause honestly, honesty is the best policy. So look me properly and ask myself, am I really that cunt? Cause it used to be me, you and I, but everybody wants to treat it like the speaker supporting the sub. And so I gotta let go before I turn stupid. And when I catch you, I'ma gun you, that's the dress to Cupid. Cause I really feel a bar raised said, you wanna put an end to this and still talk about friendship. Cause I was crazy in love, now I was head sick. You even grew onto my mum, started a friendship. I put that shit right back, I'm so defensive. I put my guard right up like I was fencing. Loving is a crime, so it's time to do my sentence.